Over the past year, I've been building my app Doodlewake in public and releasing it on both the App Store and Play Store. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact workflow I use to build and maintain it, from brainstorming ideas to coding, testing, and finally releasing updates. Most of my ideas come from simply using the app myself. Every day, I'll notice little annoyances or improvements, drop them into Notion, and then pick a few features and bugs to tackle for the next update. The other big source is you guys, YouTube comments, app reviews, and DMs. That feedback has been super valuable and keeps me motivated knowing that the features I build aren't just fixing my pain points, but also helping real users. Once I know what I'm building, I'll hop into VS Code. It's lightweight, free, and with extensions like GetLens, I can quickly see the commit history and context right inside the editor. Now about AI. I've tried tools like Copilot and DeepSeek, but my workflow is a little different. Instead of having AI inside my editor, I like using ChatGPT separately. It lets me pause, think through the problem myself, and then use AI for a very particular task. For example, if I need a function to calculate the number of seconds into the earliest date time in a list, perfect job for AI. It'll do it in seconds and I can trust the result. But when it comes to trickier problems like background jobs or iOS and Android restrictions, AI often gives outdated or flat out wrong information. And in those cases, searching the official docs or GitHub issues saves me more time. After coding, it's testing time. Since I use Expo, I'll run npx expo run to install the app on either an emulator or physical device. I prefer a physical device as they let me test things like camera features, and I can even connect multiple devices wirelessly to check responsiveness across different screen sizes. Once testing looks good, I'll move on to bundling the app for release. For iOS, I usually build locally on my Mac with EAS build local, which gives me an IPA file I can upload with a Mac app called Transporter. Super fast and it's free. Before I had a Mac, I used Expo's cloud build service. The free tier puts you in a queue that can range from minutes to hours, depending on the traffic, which was really tough for debugging. I considered upgrading to the Pro version to skip the queues, but for $100 a month, I decided to buy a refurbished MacBook instead, and honestly, I'm really glad I did, as I can build it locally in minutes and have a better editing machine. But if you're on a budget, Expo's cloud service is still a solid option. For Android, it's a bit simpler. One command generates an AAB file locally, which works on any operating system, and I just drag and drop into Play Console to create a new release. The last step is managing updates. Before pushing a new version live, I usually run an open beta. That way testers can catch bugs and provide feedback early on. Huge shout out to everyone that's part of the beta testing group. You're the real MVPs. Once beta testing wraps up, I submit the update for review on App Store Connect or Google Play Console. The process takes anywhere from a day to a week. Along the way, I'll update the release notes and screenshots using tools like Canva and Photopea, which is like a free version of Photoshop that runs in your browser. It's pretty sweet. And yeah, that's my full workflow for building and shipping mobile apps. It's not perfect, and I'm always looking to improve it, but the system has worked really well for me and hopefully gives you some ideas for your own projects. Thanks for watching, and happy building.